Understanding The Sky is Overcast, an English phrase explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and descriptive phrase. The sky is overcast. This phrase is not only common in weather reports but also in everyday English conversations. Understanding what it means can help you describe the weather more accurately and enhance your English vocabulary. So, let's dive in. Overcast is an adjective used to describe a sky covered with clouds, especially to the extent that no blue sky can be seen. It implies that the cloud cover is dense and uniform, often leading to a gray and gloomy atmosphere. This term is specifically related to weather descriptions and is a key word for anyone looking to discuss or write about weather conditions in English. To better understand how to use "the sky is overcast" in conversation or writing, let's look at some examples. I canceled my picnic because the sky is overcast, and it looks like it might rain soon. Despite the sky being overcast this morning, it cleared up by the afternoon. When I woke up, the sky was overcast, giving the day a somber feel. These examples show how the phrase can be used to describe weather conditions that might affect one's plans or the mood of the day. To expand your ability to describe the weather, here are some related terms. Cloudy. Some clouds are covering the sky, but blue sky can still be seen. Partly cloudy. The sky is partly covered with clouds, and large areas of blue sky are visible. Foggy. A thick cloud of tiny water droplets suspended in the atmosphere at or near the Earth's surface that obscures or restricts visibility. Misty. Like fog, but lighter and less dense, often creating a picturesque scene. Understanding these terms alongside overcast will allow you to describe various weather conditions more precisely. I hope this explanation of the phrase, "the sky is overcast," has been enlightening and adds to your English vocabulary. Remember, being able to describe the weather accurately is a great skill in daily conversation and writing. Keep practicing, and don't let a little overcast sky dampen your spirits or your desire to learn English. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful videos soon.